Hey, good morning, guys and girls. Welcome to this brand new podcast of urban farming, or as we love to call it Urbanify. So, guys, in these podcasts that we will be sharing each week, we will be discussing a lot about urban farming, the factors which are going to affect your plants, and how to select the right plants for the right climate with the right kind of soil, fertilizers, everything, guys. Okay, so this whole podcast is dedicated to urban farming, guys, and how to go about with it, how to actually ensure that our plants gets the best and is able to reciprocate the best as well. So, guys, we will also be discussing about how to go about with the right kind of setup, with the right kind of tools, and also what should we be expecting as the results. What is the time duration for each plant to give the results that we are expecting? So there will be a lot of such chit chat, guys, and we will also be discussing with a lot of industry experts who have done urban farming and or who have actually indulged themselves in urban farming at the larger scales as well. Okay, and with all of this, we will be discussing majorly on how to go about with urban farming and how to actually get the results that you desire. Okay, so guys and girls, over the next week we will be discussing, we'll be going with a very dedicated timeline so that we actually get the results in the same way that we are expecting them. Okay, so guys and girls, the factors which affect organic farming will be the first topic that we will be discussing, post which we'll be discussing about the soil, the kind of soil that you should go about with, what should be for the ideal yield to actually come from our plants. Okay, then we will also be discussing the type of plants, climatic conditions which will give the best to your plants and how to go about with it. We will also be discussing on the type of fertilizers for the right kind of soil with the right kind of plant which can give you the best yield or the best kind of results, and how to go about with it, how to kind of recognize the type of fertilizers to actually go about for your particular plant, and how do you manage your plants, the right kind of tools, with what is the kind of setup which you would need, how much would it cost you to actually go for organic farming, and the kind of build up that you would need to actually go about with organic farming in the full. And guys, we will also be discussing a lot about we will be touch basing with a lot of industry experts to understand if whatever we have discussed is what can help us in organic farming. So guys, this is kind of a synopsis of what we have learned in organic farming as a whole. So I actually do organic farming in my own flat, which is why I actually thought that it would be beneficial for all of us if I could share my own results, my own fallbacks, what worked, what didn't work for me. And while we are discussing all of this, we will be discussing a lot more about how do we get the right kind of results or amplify our efforts basically through organic farming. Okay, so guys, this whole podcast or this whole session will be focused on that, and we will be discussing with a lot more industry experts each day while we are discussing about soil, plants, and the type of fertilizers, everything. Okay, hope you do like this podcast. If you did, please guys, do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and kind of follow this channel. Okay guys, have a good day, have fun.